So this video is about AI agents. So AI agents are autonomous software systems designed to perform specific tasks or solve problems in a variety of domains by perceiving their environment, reasoning and taking actions. Okay, and they can learn from machine learning fundamentals, and they perform tasks using data and algorithms, and the key features being autonomy. It can operate without human intervention, and it is adaptable. AI agents are adaptable and they learn to improve from data, and they are goal driven. They work towards specific objectives. Okay, so let's come to the types of AI agents. So you can see in this pyramid, the reactive agents sit at the bottom of this pyramid, followed by the limited memory agents, and then this one is the third one, which is theory of mind agents, and then self-aware agents. So what are reactive agents? They respond to the current inputs without memory. So examples being basic chatbots and thermostats, and limited memory agents use historical data. This one, the second in the pyramid, use historical data for better decisions. For example, self-driving cars and recommendation systems. And then the third one is an emerging type of agent. They are theory of mind agents, and they understand emotions and human intentions. And their example being advanced social robots, and self-aware agents are hypothetical or imaginary agents so far, and they are beyond the realms at the moment. They are a hypothetical context. They are in hypothetical context, and they possess self-consciousness and reasoning. They are supposed to possess self-consciousness and reasoning. That is the utmost layer of AI agents. Okay, so what are the core components of AI agents? So perception is the first, where they use AI agents use sensors or tools to gather data, and then they process that data with algorithms and for analyzing the inputs or input data. And then the next component is selecting actions based on goals, that is decision making. And then on the basis of that decision, they act, executing tasks in the real or digital world. And what are the common and real life use cases of AI agents? In healthcare, they are used in AI diagnostics and treatment planning. For example, they are used as virtual health assistant, and in education, they actually provide personalized learning experience. For example, it is an intelligent tutoring systems in which there is an interaction between the AI agents and the students. And in business, they do all sorts of customer service automation. For example, AI powered chatbots, which are quite common in every industry, foreseeable industry. And in transportation too, they are the guiding principles for autonomous vehicles and traffic management, for example, self-driving cars. Right, now let's see the AI agent's role in the community. And like in this diagram, we have got individual role, societal, and the industrial role. So they empower individuals, like we are quite hooked into the OTT platforms like Netflix, Spotify, and they are giving us personalized recommendations also on these platforms, as well as there are many like Amazon Prime. And they have got accessibility tools like text to speech and predictive text, and for enhancing efficiency, they can automate repetitive tasks and optimize resource allocation, and they foster innovation. They are also able to generate new ideas for content creation, and they can also helpful. They have proved, or they are supposed to be proving useful for discovering the drugs, new drugs, and cutting edge medical science, so thereby enabling cutting edge research also. And what are the challenges and ethical considerations? So this is a balance of benefits and challenges. Benefits slightly at the moment outweigh, even at the current time, it outweigh the challenges. They have got, bias in algorithms is a great challenge. AI systems can perpetuate societal biases, and one can do the mitigation of this bias by transparency and diverse training data. And for privacy concerns, the the creators of these AI agents should be careful in handling sensitive personal data. And for job displacement, balancing automation with workforce transition, you have to reskill or upskill the present workers if they are made redundant as a matter of usage of AI agents. So you have to carefully balance, automation with workforce transition. And autonomy risks are ensuring AI aligns with human values. These are ethical considerations. And what are the future of AI agents? Enhanced collaboration, seamless integration with human teams, and advancement in AI models is another feature. And the better understanding of human behavior and ubiquitous AI in which the agents will be embedded in everyday life. And finally, the ethical AI development, which actually would bring up stronger frameworks to guide innovation and responsibility. There are a few calls to actions for businesses to embrace AI to enhance productivity and customer satisfaction, and for the individuals to stay informed about AI technologies and their potentials, and for policymakers to promote fair and transparent AI regulation. And that's the end of this video. Thank you very much for attending it. If you like this video, do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon button and share it with your friends.